everyone. Imagine you're buying a product online. You'd want to know the terms and conditions and the return policy, right? Similarly, job circulars need to include specific legal statements to ensure transparency and protection for both the employer and potential employees. Let's explore how to incorporate these essential statements into job circulars effectively. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to learn the types of legal statements that should be included, gain strategies for ensuring compliance with legal requirements in job postings. An EEO statement affirms that the company provides equal employment opportunities to all applicants, regardless of race, color, religion, sex, national origin, age, disability, or genetic information. XYZ Corporation is an equal opportunity employer. We celebrate diversity and are committed to creating an inclusive environment for all employees. An accommodation statement informs candidates that the company will provide reasonable accommodations for individuals with disabilities during the hiring process. If you require accommodations during the application or interview process, please contact our HR department at hr@xyzcorporation.com. In jurisdictions where at-will employment is applicable, including an at-will employment statement clarifies that either the employer or the employee can terminate the employment relationship at any time with or without cause or notice. Employment with XYZ Corporation is at will, meaning that either the company or the employee can terminate the employment relationship at any time with or without cause or notice. If the hiring process includes background checks, it is essential to inform candidates about this requirement. Employment at XYZ Corporation is contingent upon the successful completion of a background check. In some regions, employers are required to include pay transparency statements to ensure compliance with wage transparency laws. XYZ Corporation complies with all applicable state and local laws governing wage transparency and equal pay. Keep up to date with local, state, and federal employment laws and regulations. Regularly review and update job circular templates to ensure compliance. Subscribe to legal and HR newsletters to attend workshops to stay informed about changes in employment laws. Work with legal experts or HR professionals to review job postings and ensure they meet all legal requirements. Before publishing a job circular, have it reviewed by the company's legal counsel or an experienced HR professional. Develop standardized job circular templates that include all required legal statements. Ensure that these templates are used consistently across all job postings. Create a master template that includes sections for the EEO statement, accommodation statement, and other necessary legal disclosures. Provide training. Train hiring managers and HR staff on the importance of including legal statements and how to ensure compliance in job postings. Conduct regular training sessions or create an online training module that covers legal requirements for job circulars. XYZ Corporation is a leading innovator in the tech industry, known for our collaborative culture and commitment to continuous learning and growth. Our mission is to revolutionize the tech industry by creating innovative solutions that empower businesses worldwide. Lead and manage the software development team to deliver high-quality software solutions. Develop and implement software development processes and methodologies. Collaborate with product managers and stakeholders to define project requirements and timelines. Ensure the scalability, performance, and security of software applications. Mentor and guide team members to foster a culture of continuous improvement. Bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or related field. 5+ years of experience in software development and team management. Proficiency in programming languages such as Java, Python, or C++. Strong understanding of software development lifecycle, SDLC, and agile methodologies. Excellent communication and teamwork skills. Work environment. Our headquarters in San Francisco features an open concept office with collaborative workspaces, a fully stocked kitchen, and a rooftop lounge. We also offer flexible remote work options and regular team building events. XYZ Corporation is an equal opportunity employer. We celebrate diversity and are committed to creating an inclusive environment for all our employees. If you require accommodations during the application or interview process, please contact our HR department at hr@xyzcorp.com. Employment at XYZ Corporation is at will, meaning that either the company or the employee can terminate the employment relationship at any time with or without cause or notice. Employment is contingent upon the successful completion of background check. XYZ Corporation complies with all applicable state and local laws governing wage transparency and equal pay. To apply, please send your resume and cover letter to careers@xyzcorp.com by September 30th. Include Software Development Manager in the subject line. To learn more about this topic, you can read The Essential Guide to Workplace Investigations by Lisa.